If you're a Tundra owner frustrated by your 4x4 not engaging, you're not alone. Let's break down the common reasons, and what you can do about them. First up, check the basics. Is your Tundra in park or neutral? Many models won't shift into 4x4 unless they are. Next, listen for a click or whir when you try to engage four-wheel drive. If you hear nothing, you might have a blown fuse or a faulty switch. Now peek under the hood. Look at the 4x4 actuator, usually mounted on the front differential. If it's dirty or corroded, that could be your culprit. Clean the connections and try again. Still no luck? Try shifting between 2WD and 4WD a few times while gently rolling forward. Sometimes the gears just need to align. If your dashboard is flashing or not lighting up at all, scan for trouble codes with an OBD2 reader. Codes related to the transfer case or actuator will point you in the right direction. Finally, if you're hearing grinding or clunking noises, stop and call a mechanic. That could mean something mechanical is broken inside the transfer case, and forcing it could make things worse. So to recap, check your shift position, listen for actuator sounds, inspect connections, cycle the switch and scan for codes. If all else fails, get a pro to check it out. Keep your Tundra ready for any adventure, on or off the road.